In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 ways to play Red Dead Redemption 2 on your Mac. There's no native macOS version, but both methods work surprisingly well. Method 1. Boosteroid Cloud Gaming. First, you need to own the game. Buy RDR2 on Steam, Epic Games, or the Rockstar Games Launcher. The Steam version is usually the cheapest, around $15 to $20 on sale. Go to boosteroid.com, sign up, and pick a plan. They offer a cheap light tier and a higher tier for better GPU and resolution. Check their site for current pricing as it changes. Link your store account, like Steam or Epic, to Boosteroid. This lets it see your game library. Boosteroid runs directly in your browser, so no app installation needed on your Mac, though they also have a desktop client if you prefer. Search for RDR2 in their library, hit play, and it launches straight into your owned copy. For the best experience, use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. It makes a big difference in input lag. Close other bandwidth-heavy tasks like drive syncing or downloads while streaming. Use a wired or Bluetooth controller. Mouse and keyboard work, but a controller feels better for RDR2 specifically. Start with lower streaming quality settings first, then increase them once you confirm your connection is stable. Method 2. Crossover. Download Crossover from codeweavers.com. It offers a 14-day free trial, then costs around $74 per year. Create a new bottle in Crossover and install Steam through it. Accept the prompts to install Visual C++ and Windows fonts. Steam needs them. Log into your Steam account and download RDR2. The game is about 120 gigabytes, so budget your time and disk space accordingly. After Steam installation, launching the game will prompt you to install the Rockstar Games Launcher. RDR2 requires both Steam and Rockstar Launcher to run, even on the Steam version. Log into your Rockstar account inside that same bottle. If the Rockstar Launcher says it can't get online, keep clicking Retry. It usually connects eventually. In Crossover's bottle settings, enable D3D Metal and eSync. eSync helps avoid RAM leak and GPU underutilization issues. In-game, set VSync to half, FXAA on, TAA medium, texture medium, TAA sharpening around 27, and everything else low as a solid baseline. Expect genuine playability. One user finished the entire game with 120+ hours logged on an 8GB M3 MacBook Air using those settings. On higher res setups, you can expect mostly 55+ FPS with occasional dips, not a locked 60. Some cities cause frame drops even on high-end hardware, which is an RDR2 optimization issue, not a Mac-specific one. That's it. You now have 2 solid ways to play Red Dead Redemption 2 on your Mac. Good luck, partner.